What's up, guys? Western Illinois EAS here. Back with you for part 2 of this thunderstorm that we've got going on down to the south. We just had 2 more rumbles of thunder, one of it which was kind of explosive and was a little closer than the last couple we've had. So I decided to start a fresh video of this one. Tree frogs out here are happy. They're ready for some rain. Sprinkling. That was a rather loud rumble there. It shook the floor again. Still sprinkling. Thunderstorm. Thunderstorm. High in the upper 70s. It was cloudy in Columbia, Missouri. Seems to have stopped sprinkling now. Or maybe not. Yeah, it's still raining. Never mind. Fun fact about these tree frogs. The reason they croak all in synchronicity like this is to lure away predators. It confuses predators and makes it hard for predators to find just one frog. Sounds like it's starting to rain some more. Shit!
The National Weather Service has issued tornado watch number 154, effective until 4 a.m. Sunday. This watch includes the following counties in Missouri: Franklin, Lincoln, St. Charles, St. Louis, and Warren, and Madison, Illinois, and the Missouri independent city of St. Louis.
Shit!
Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds in and close to the watched area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet source severe weather information. Repeating, tornado watch number 154 has been issued until 4 a.m. Sunday for the following counties in Missouri: Franklin, Lincoln, St. Charles, St. Louis, and Warren, and Madison, Illinois, and the Missouri independent city of St. Louis. Tonight, mostly cloudy. A chance of showers and thunderstorms, mainly this evening. Lows in the mid-60s. South winds.
Lovely. Now I'm under a tornado watch. I will say it's definitely still raining, but the thunder has pretty much ceased in existence, at least around here. Which, quite honestly, surprises me, especially considering how loud the last one was. Because, I mean, usually cloud-to-ground lightning indicates that a storm is intensifying, not dying. Usually a dying thunderstorm would have crawler lightning, what people call anvil crawlers. It's that lightning that appears to kind of scamper across the sky. I think there might be a moth in here. I can hear something thumping around on the ceiling up here. Oh yeah, it's more than sprinkling now. It's a light rain. Oh, here it comes. I'm going to see if anywhere else in my range of counties that I can get is in this tornado watch. It wouldn't surprise me if especially any of KXI 46 is in there. So I'm going to see. Let me see here.
At 9 p.m., the temperature was 64 degrees. The dew point was relative humidity was 100. The current time is 9:44 p.m. Central Daylight Time. It was cloudy in Hampton, Peoria, Massillon, and Taylorville. Again at 9 p.m. in Decatur, under cloudy skies, the temperature was 67 degrees. The National Weather Service has issued Tornado Watch number 154, effective until 4 a.m. Sunday. This watch includes the following counties: Christian, Illinois. Remember, a tornado watch means the condition.
Okay, so Christian County is in this tornado watch.
Winds around 15 miles per hour with 35 degrees. Once again in St. Louis, it was cloudy and the temperature was. Now here is the hazardous weather outlook for portions of eastern and central Missouri, as well as west central and southwest Illinois. There is a chance of few thunderstorms this evening into tonight, mainly over northeast Missouri and west central Illinois. Thunderstorms that become severe could produce damaging winds and isolated tornadoes. Localized flooding will also be possible in these areas. And now the extended outlook for the period of time. -90% outside. Avoid ice or sunny. High. A few of the thunderstorms on Sunday afternoon and Sunday night could be severe, capable of producing large hail, damaging winds, and isolated tornadoes. Spotter activation may be needed. The National Weather Service has issued Tornado Watch number 154, effective until 4 a.m. Sunday. This watch includes the following counties in Illinois: Calhoun, Greene, Jersey, Macoupin and Madison, and St. Charles, Missouri.
Okay, so all of KXI 70's coverage is in this watch. Calhoun, Greene, Jersey, Macoupin, and Madison counties in southwestern Illinois, as well as, of course, St. Charles County, Missouri, as you heard in the product from KDO 89. So, let's see. It's definitely getting quite windy here. Not exactly strong winds, I would say, but way windier than it was, because it was just a calm breeze, but now it's kind of starting to get a little gusty here.
30 miles per hour. South at 12 miles an hour. Flight speed of Thunderstorm. Highs in the mid-70s.
And at least Franklin and at least Gasconade County is also in this watch too. So this is going to move in from the Springfield storms, it looks like. Yeah, I'm going to have to close one of these windows up because it's starting to really rain. Probably going to close... Oh, shit. Yeah. Let's see how well... Oh, yep. I'm going to have to close this one too. I'm going to sit my phone here on the bench next to my weather radio here. Hold on, I'm going to blow it out. Sorry about that. That was me blowing my phone lens. There was water in the microphone hole and some other places. You can definitely hear it raining. Oh, yeah, here it comes. We're in for it now. Not necessarily pouring, but it's definitely... I take that back. Surprised there hasn't been any lightning yet. The extra dripping you hear is the gutter dripping down here off the roof onto the deck that is outside our doors here. We have a deck that leads... Oh my god, it is just coming down. Not the hardest rain I've seen, but it's definitely coming down. Oh, it's stopping already. Huh. Still coming down pretty good. Didn't last too long. It's still raining, but... storms are gonna definitely continue to increase in coverage and intensity. as they move eastward. So, gonna have to watch them. It's a good thing I have a weather radio to warn me if anything happens. Tonight might be one of those nights I play hooky and stay up all night. Definitely made the roads wet, I can tell, because of that car that just went by. Still raining, but not even close to what it was. God, those tree frogs are so noisy. It's just barely spitting now. Just barely. Be interesting to see how these severe thunderstorms evolve, considering that there's other storms that have popped up ahead of the main line. And there's another bit of heavier rain. I can almost guarantee you if I was up in Jacksonville right now, I'd be under this watch too. Especially considering Calhoun Green Jersey. Especially considering Calhoun and Green are in this. Because they are both served by WXM90 in Jacksonville. So I bet I would be under this watch as well. Makes me wish even more we had a WXJ75 stream. Or even better, a WXM90 stream. Or both. Online, because I would be able to track warnings for at least Cass and Morgan counties. If I had WXM90, I'd be able to do Brown, Cass, Calhoun, or Brown, Cass, Morgan, Pike, and Scott, all from the comfort of my parents' house. And then if we had WXJ75, I'd be able to do Cass, Christian, DeWitt, Logan, Macon, Macoupin, Menard, Montgomery, Morgan, and Sangamon, all the way from, I know I missed something, hold on. Cass, Christian, DeWitt, Logan, Macon, Mason, Macoupin, Menard, Montgomery, Morgan, and Sangamon. There we go, Mason County. So yeah, I'd be able to do all of those. Mason County is also served by Peoria, and DeWitt County by Champaign. But I'd still be able to track, let's see, Cass, Christian, Logan, Macon, Macoupin, Menard, Montgomery, Morgan, and Sangamon with WXJ75. So yeah, still a pretty good amount of counties. Matter of fact, I think what I would probably prefer is a WXJ75 stream and possibly a WXK82 in Hannibal stream. Because not only would I get Adams, Brown, and Pike, but I would get Lewis, Marion, Monroe, Pike, Rawls, and Shelby counties in northeastern Missouri. So that would be cool. It's pretty much stopped raining. It's just sprinkling, and the only reason you're hearing like it's hitting harder is because we're getting some winds of maybe 10 miles an hour, 10 to 15 miles an hour. Let's see if I can open the window back up here. Oh yeah. Should be good now. I'm only going to open one for right now, in case I need to close it again. But I would say this video is pretty much done. Hope you guys enjoyed this. I know I enjoyed filming. If we get any more thunder, I will definitely start up the camera again and keep rolling for y'all. In the meantime, Western Illinois EAS signing off.